Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday. So we have some math and some science writing to work on today. We will be doing a graphing assignment for math, and then you will be working on writing some facts about an animal that you research on a website. So that should be really fun. I think you'll like that assignment. Here is today's morning message. Okay, today's date is 4/17/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. You will read and write animal facts today. Would you rather visit the moon or go back to the time of dinosaurs? Love your teachers. So that was our question of the day. Would you rather go to the moon or the time of dinosaurs? So we had lots of different kids with different answers. A lot of the people who wanted to go to the moon said they would like to jump on the moon because when you jump on the moon, it feels like you're floating. And some of the kids who wanted to go see dinosaurs said they wanted to see a pterodactyl or ride a dinosaur, or they've always wanted to see what dinosaurs are like. So we had some really good and fun answers. All right. Today, I also did a quick little lesson on fact families. So this is a review for you. Let me, fix my screen here for you. All right, so if you look at my board, I have started a number bond, and we are going to use this number bond to write a fact family. So yesterday when we did a fact family, we started with two numbers in the monster's hands, right? So remember, this is the monster's head, his arms stick out, these are his hands. Yesterday we had 10 and 5. He took 10 and 5 in each hand. He put them all in his mouth. Altogether, he had 10 plus 5 equals 15. This number bond is different. We don't know what's in this hand, right? And what we do know is that the monster takes candies from both hands and puts them in his mouth. But this time, we know how many are already in the monster's mouth. The monster has 6 in his mouth. So I wrote 6 and I drew 6. Now, what do we do when the monster has some in his mouth and some in his hand? We pretend the monster had 6 pieces of candy in his mouth, and he did not like them. They were not his favorite kind, so he spits them out. He spits 2 pieces of candy out into this hand, so we take 2 away. How many more pieces of candy does the monster have in his mouth to spit into this hand? He has 4 left. So what does that tell us? That tells us if we have 6 and we take away or subtract 2, then we have 4 left. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Right? Another way to do that, we can put our 4 there. If that monster had 6 pieces of candy and we took 4 of them away, 1, 2, 3, 4, take 4 away, minus 4, he would have 2 pieces of candy left for that hand. So when we subtract, we always start with our greatest number in the monster's mouth. The greatest number always goes in his mouth. That's 6. Okay, now we can also use these 3 numbers to write 2 addition sentences, right? If we have 2 pieces of candy in the monster's hand and 4 pieces of candy in the monster's other hand, he puts 2 in his mouth and then he adds 4 more. How many did he add all together? He has 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And then we know the other way to say that is start with 4 first, then add the 2, and then we will still equal 6. Okay, so that is your quick math fact family number bond review for today. I hope you have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. See you later, guys.